Today I'm putting GoCodeo to the test to see if it can build a workable analytics dashboard from just an image in under 10 minutes. This capability we have built at GoCodeo is an incredible one. It enables individuals to turn design images into functional software UI with ease. To get started, I'll simply upload an image of the design I want to prototype. Then we'll write a one-line prompt. Create a UI design similar to the attached image. Now GoCodeo gets to work. It analyzes the design and converts it into code. If you see here, these are the files it has created, and it's also writing the code for it. It's amazing to think that this entire process is happening behind the scenes without me having to lift a finger. After which, it provides commands to set up the project. Let's click on the Accept button for the commands to be automatically executed in the terminal. It then navigates to the project directory where the project is situated, and then it installs all the dependencies of the project. And now the app is opened on the local server. Let's go ahead and deploy the project. Well, guess what? You can do it right within your IDE using GoCodeo. Click on the Deploy button and it will automatically create the build and deploy it on Vercel. In just a few minutes, I have built a functional prototype from a design. And the best part? It's all done without any manual coding whatsoever. This project has now been successfully deployed on Vercel. The implications of this technology are huge. With GoCodeo, designers and developers can work together more efficiently than ever before. Prototyping is no longer a tedious or time-consuming process, but rather a quick and easy step in the development cycle. And the best part? It's accessible to anyone regardless of their coding skills. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of rapid software development. If you have any thoughts on this technology, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about GoCodeo, be sure to check out our other videos on its top features and benefits. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.